How's it going, everyone? Matt Roberge from Salt Lake City Bookkeeping. Today I'm going to do a quick video demonstration on using the Ask My Accountant account in QuickBooks. I'm going to go through and show you guys when to use the account, how to make sub-accounts of it, and then the benefits of using Ask My Accountant. So if we switch over to our sample company here, Vandalay Industries, first I'll show you where the account is. It's a default account in QuickBooks now. At the bottom of your chart of accounts, it should be an other expense account called Ask My Accountant. And what I use this for is not only questionable transactions that I'm unsure of if a client makes a charge and I've never seen it before, but I also use it for, sometimes I'll put assets there to review it with the CPA and say, hey, this is what this is for. How should we categorize that? And you can also see that I've got a sub account here called Costanza. When I use this is when, let's take a business credit card, for example, that has multiple card holders. What I like to do is break it out by user and give sub accounts to Ask My Accountant so that when Costanza makes a charge and I'm not sure what it is, I can put it in his particular Ask My Accountant account and then send him an email with all those questions, and he can just simply reply, hey, this is this, this is what that's for, etc. So let's set up another sub account. Let's say there's another card holder. So we'll just create a new account here, and we're going to do, it has to be an other expense because that's what the Ask My Accountant account is, and in order to be a sub account of it, it has to be the same account type, as you can see right here. So let's say there's another card holder called Pappy, and we're going to make a sub account of Ask My Accountant. And I just want to give you a real quick example of how this works. Let's say Pappy makes a credit card charge, and it's with China Panda, but it's for quite a bit of money. Let's say 350 bucks. I would probably flag that one and put it in, if I see on the statement it came from his card, I'd flag it and I'd put it under his Ask My Accountant sub account. Because, with a meal charge that high, you want to find out who he had lunch with or dinner and what they talked about that's business related. So now that we've done that, we can go to our chart of accounts again and back to Ask My Accountant. And here we've drilled into all of them and we've got them broken out by user. Costanza made a pretty large charge here in our example. Carl Farman Furniture, $7,500. As you can see, I've memoed this as what is this for specifically, so I know how to categorize as an asset. So what this allows me to do is go in by user, break out Ask My Accountant charges, and send them off to each person internally. In addition, I have a spot to put questions for the CPA on big purchases or things that I'm just not sure on how to code. So the biggest benefit that I don't think people realize of using this is that it gives you a place to put transactions that you don't know what are for, but the biggest benefit that I see is that you'll always be able to reconcile the books. Nothing should stop you from entering a charge just because you're not sure of what it's for. You can enter it, bump it to Ask My Accountant, and continue on with your reconciliation, which is the most key thing, I think. What that's going to allow is cleaner books, lower CPA bills, and more accurate tax returns. So just a real quick video demonstration there on using the Ask My Accountant account. If you have questions on this or anything else QuickBooks or bookkeeping related, feel free to reach out. Have a good one.